It's welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn C letter words. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. C for cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Cake. C for cap. C-A-P. Cap. Cap. C for can. C-A-N. Can. Can. C for candy. C-A-N-D-Y. Candy. Candy. C for candle. C-A-N-D-L-E. Candle. Candle. C for car. C-A-R. Car. Car. C for cookies. C-O-O-K-I-E-S. Cookies. Cookies. C for cup. C-U-P. Cup. Cup. C for camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel. C for carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Carrot. C for carpet. C-A-R-P-E-T. Carpet. Carpet. C for clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Clock. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.